Now we're going to move forward and we're going to get some feedback from Dr. Mitt Foley. He's the Assistant Superintendent at Saginaw Public Schools. He's going to speak to his students' experience in utilizing BH365 in their school district.
Students are very excited about the curriculum. They enjoy a lot of aspects of it. One, learning about pieces of our history that have traditionally been left out of the curriculum. Our students have indicated they have found the curriculum inspiring. Students of all races have found it. The curriculum has created opportunities for open discussions, open and honest discussions, critical thinking, the incorporation of technology and music. The kids are really engaged, and it's all of the students, but particularly our students of color. They feel a sense of pride and excitement about learning about the resilience and the triumphs of Black Americans and Black folk across the diaspora. So students overwhelmingly are excited and love the curriculum, and we have expanded the number of classes, and furthermore, it created such a buzz and an excitement with staff that they had conversations amongst themselves, and we ended up incorporating this all the way down from 3rd grade up through 12th grade. We are now offering this as a resource in our middle schools, our elementaries, and as standalone classes for our secondary. So it's been a powerful experience for our entire school community.